into one of the most compelling applications in the Microsoft. This dashboard offers real-time insights into the security status of your organization, displaying key metrics such as the number of active codes, classes of risk, this high-level view helps you better assess the security landscape and prioritize actions to protect your firm. Let's start with the investigation and response section. This area is critical for managing and responding to security incidents. It includes skill options such as incidents and alerts. The Incidents tab consolidates all security events into manageable places, allowing you to track and resolve them efficiently. Each area provides detailed information about the threat, ability to trace, affected devices, and recommended actions. By investigating these alerts, you understand the nature of the threats and take appropriate measures to mitigate them. Next, we have the Threat and Intelligence section. This feature provides detailed analysis and insights into the latest threats and trends. It includes skill options like Threat Analytics and Threat Intelligence. Threat Analytics offers comprehensive insights into tactics, techniques, and procedures. Threat Intelligence allows you to proactively adjust your security strategies. Threat Intelligence provides real-time data and contextual information, enabling you to prioritize and tailor your response efforts effectively. Moving on to the Assets section. This area gives you a detailed view of all assets within your organization, including identity, device inventory, and software inventory. The device inventory allows you to monitor the security status of each device, check for compliance with security policies, and identify devices that require attention. The software inventory helps you track all installed applications, ensuring they're up to date and meeting the vulnerabilities. The Microsoft Central section is a particularly well-suited security information and event management SIEM solution. It helps you detect, prevent, and respond to security incidents across your enterprise. Within this section, you find options like workbooks, hunting, and notebooks. These tools enable you to implement policies, create custom queries, and implement threat hunting activities to uncover hidden threats. In the Endpoints section, you manage and secure all endpoints within your organization. These include endpoints such as detection and response, EDR, and device remediation. EDR provides advanced monitoring and response capabilities, allowing you to detect and respond to threats immediately. Device remediation focuses on restoring security across all endpoints, ensuring clean, functioning environments. The email and collaboration section focuses on securing your organization's communication channels. Set options enable threat recognition, safe attachments, and safe links. These features help you address email-based threats and filter out malicious emails, scheduling passwords protected, and safeguarding against malicious use. The Add Networks section is used to set organization's power obligations. This includes options like app governance and access group policies. These allow you to monitor and control individual applications. It enables network security policies and security